Hey, what's up? It's your girl Deja, aka Deja Vu, and I am currently on top of the world. For today's video, I'm gonna go show you guys how I did this really dope look. I turned my large box braids into some short box braids, and it kind of reminds me of the 90s or whatever. I ran out of edge control in gel, so my edges is looking rusty, dusty, crusty, but that's okay because I look amazing. If you guys want to see this look, stay tuned, like and share. And
excuse me.
If you would like to see this look, like, share, and subscribe to make post notifications so you're notified every single time I post another amazing video. Watch and share my previous videos with your friends, your family, catch your dog. I know that you'll share my videos to everybody you love. So your girl, me, myself, and I can be popping. This dog next door is always barking, interrupting what I be doing outside. Like, please. But yeah, stay tuned for the video. My arm hurts. Yeah. Hey guys, so as y'all can see, my braids are rusty, dusty, crusty. I've only did these braids for 3 days, but they're useless now, and I didn't want to cut them right off. So I didn't want to take them out right away, so I wanted to try this look with you guys. So I'm just gonna cut these braids to my personal preference, how I feel that they may look on me. That's where I'm cutting it at right now. And then the next thing, well, y'all, wait, no, I'm moving too fast. I was out of breath. Y'all see, I just took that exhale. I was out of breath trying to cut those braids all together. So on this part, I decided that the best method. I cannot talk. What in the world? The best method will be to cut it individually. So yeah, I'm cutting these braids individually, and then I'm gonna get back right with you. Right here, I'm just going to undo this braid because, as you all can see, it's hanging on the thread. You know, it's coming out. It's hanging off in Jesus. So I'm just taking this braid out, and I'm going to simply redo it because it needs to be redone. And it's totally fine if you have to redo some of these braids because, y'all, when I did this hairstyle, I did not intend to keep it in long, as you all can see. So yeah. Next, I'm going to braid it down, and on this part, y'all like my torch. I got it from the baby shop. No, I didn't. I got it from the hookah shop. Whatever. I'm using my torch to burn the ends, and I didn't really think this part through. I thought that if I just braided it down and used the torch to, keep the ends together, it would turn out not like that. Right, y'all see that? Don't do it. Kids, don't try this at home. Do not play with fire in here. Leave it to your parents. Yeah. So, anyways, I tried to do this, but as y'all can see, it was failing multiple times. So, I had to flip it around, and I decided to just I decided to just braid it all the way down, and then wrap the rubber band at the end where I stopped braiding. And then burn that end part where the rubber band is, and I found that to be very much so efficient than trying to braid it without the rubber band, and it also gives that extra little razzle-dazzle hairstyle. I kind of was thinking about how it would look if I would have did colored bands, but maybe I'll do that in the near future. So stay tuned. Alright guys, so here's the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and hope you guys have fun with this hairstyle. Let me know if you guys try it out. Like, share, and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications and leave me a comment in the comment section and tell me what you guys think. I love y'all so much. Bye bye.